You're going to want to start off by parting off your client's hair. Right here, you're going to see me part it into two sections. I separated the front from the back. And then you're just going to use a little bit of product to really get your parts to be really defined. I use the She Is Bomb Glazy gel. I found that edge control, it's not really edge control, but that gel gives a really nice hold. And you want to just comb the product throughout the hair to make sure that it gets on every single strand. And once you do that, you're gonna want to, after you comb it out, you're gonna want to start braiding. And since this style is honestly just knotless braids, you're just gonna want to feed in the braids however you do knotless. I do under braids, but I know a lot of people feed in the over method. But honestly, you just want to do what works best for you. This style is usually worn at about shoulder length, but my client, she did want them to be a little bit longer, so I did end up making them around her bra strap. So you're gonna see me just adding hair. So once you get it to the length that you want it to be, you want to take a rubber band and just tie off the end. That's all. See right here, I'm tying it off. This is where the braid is gonna stop.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in.
Not sure if you guys can tell, but I really tried to get it at an angle where you guys will be able to see the exact method of how I feed it in. I braid the hair, and as I just grab the pieces, I literally just feed it in underneath. But then after a while of braiding, I do this thing where I change my fingers. So instead of under braiding, I under braid in the beginning, and then I tend to over braid once I get to the middle of the braid. And right here, my client had blunt ends, so I kept having to restart and apply gel so I could hide her ends because they kept sticking out of the braids. Honestly, this style is so simple. You want to just keep repeating it as if you were doing large knotless. You want to just section off the hair and braid at the hair. And later on, I'm going to show you guys how to get the curls. Don't forget to tie off each braid before you finish.
I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving, car, no start, no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna dive in and miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't. I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me?
At this point right here, we're almost done. Once you get to the top row, it's really nothing left to do. You want to just slick out the braid, the sections, take out some baby hair, because you know a style is not complete without some fire behind edges. I almost cursed right there. But y'all know.
Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna dive in to miss me.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't.
At this point, you want to just add the curl rods of your choice, and you want to dip it in boiling hot water. So, you know, boil the water and dip the curls. And before you take the rods out, make sure to blow dry the ends of the hair so that the water doesn't weigh down the curls. If you feel like this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, please support your girl. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, leave a comment. And if you do decide to do this style, tag my page.